In today's session, we'll be seeing about animals. So yeah, I think I can start now. So last session we saw about fire. So in today's session, we'll be seeing about animals. Okay. So yeah, just a second. So what are animals? So animals are living things. So they are living things just like all the other living things. They can move. So they are living things. And like plants, animals need food and water to live. So just like plants, even animals need food and water to live. Without food and water, they won't be living. Okay, unlike plants which make their own food, animals feed themselves by eating plants or other animals. So plants can make their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. So I want everyone, so we'll be having an interactive session at the last 10 minutes. So when I'm explaining, please mute your mic, okay? When I ask something, you can answer me. Okay? So yeah. So animals.
Can I tell one thing?
Yeah, you can say at the last. Okay, you can say at the last. Now let me finish explaining. Okay, so last 10 minutes we'll be having for interaction. Whatever you want, you can say. Okay, so yeah, animals are living things. They need food and water to live. And just like just a minute. So yeah, so animals cannot make their own food. They will be eating other plants or other animals only. They won't be able to make their own food. Okay, so yeah. So what is backbone? So we humans have a backbone. Yes, right? You can feel by touching your back. When you bend a little bit, there'll be a backbone. So all humans have backbone, and it will be very easy to remember. We have backbone at the back side. Yes.
Also, the backbone, it's called a spine.
Yeah. So yeah, very easy to remember this word backbone because it's back, so backbone, and it is also a bone. So backbone. So even some animals have backbone. So animals with backbone are known as vertebrates. So animals with backbone are known as vertebrates. So I want everyone to talk at the end. Okay. So let me finish speaking. So at the last, you can talk whatever you want. Okay. So let me finish what I'm coming to say. Okay. So animals with backbone are known as vertebrates. Okay. So some animals have a backbone. So they are known as vertebrates. And animals without backbone are known as invertebrates. Some animals like earthworm, snail, so they all don't have backbone. So that's why they are slithering on the floor. They are crawling on the floor. Even if we don't have backbone, even we will be crawling on the floor. Okay, because of backbone only we are standing. So these animals doesn't have backbone, so they are like crawling or slithering on the floor. Okay, so animals with. So I want everyone to talk at the end. Okay, so let me just finish what I'm coming to say. Okay, so yeah, so animals with backbone are vertebrates, animals without backbone are invertebrates. Okay, so now we saw two types of animals depending upon whether they have backbone or not. So now we have three types of animals depending upon what they eat. Okay, so in these three types of things, we'll be learning what the animals will be eating. So as the name suggests, herbivore. Herbs means plants. So animals eating only the plants are known as herbivore. Okay, so those animals will only be eating.
Herbivores.
What?
I know about herbivores, carnivores, omnivores.
Yeah, super.
They had teach me in school.
Super. So yeah, animals eating only the plant object, I mean the plant things, are known as herbivores. So examples of herbivores are cow, horse, and some animals like that. Okay. The next is omnivore. So animals eating both plants and animals. So omnivore is animals which eat plants and animals. Okay. So examples of omnivore are bear. Bear will eat plants also And bear will eat animals also. So the main example is humans. We humans, we will be eating plants also, right? We'll be eating vegetables and fruits, and we'll be eating egg, which is coming from animals. And some people will be eating meat, like that. So we humans are the best example for omnivore. Omnivore are animals eating both plants and animals. Okay, so even monkey is an omnivore. Monkey will be eating banana, which is a plant, and it will be eating small insects like spiders, lizards, like that. So it's also omnivore. The next is carnivore. So carnivore animals are really so dangerous animals. So because
Akka,
yes,
I have a question. Can you go back to omnivore, please?
yes,
Yeah. See, monkeys and we are very similar because we developed from a monkey to a gorilla, caveman, and then a human.
yeah. So we and monkeys are similar. Yes.
Kanika, the animals are eating some plants and some animals.
Yeah, they are known as omnivore. So now let us see about carnivore. So carnivore animals are the animals which eat only the animals. So they'll be eating the animals only. They won't eat the plants. They'll be eating the animals like deer, buffalo, like that. So I want everyone to talk at the end, okay? So let me finish what I'm coming to say. At the end, we'll be having 10 minutes time. So at that time, you can talk, okay? So yeah, so animals like lion, tiger, leopard, shark, snake, these all are dangerous animals since they eat only the animals. They eat the animals like deer, buffalo, like that. Okay. So now we saw three types of animals depending upon what they eat. So now let us see two types of animals. So these two types are very important. It will say about how the animal is. Okay. So the first is mammal. So mammal is an animal that is covered with fur, has a backbone, and it will give birth to young ones. So mammal is an animal, whatever animal which is covered with fur, has backbone and gives birth to young ones are known as mammal. Okay, very easy, right? Okay, next is, one second.
Akka,
So yeah, examples of mammals. So let us see some examples
Akka?
of mammals. Yes.
Also I have this thing to tell. I know a few types of animal things. So there are mammals, amphibians. Fish is a different category. Birds are a different category, and then there are reptiles.
So yeah, we'll
And
be
we are
learning about
mammals,
each thing
actually.
separately. Okay, so first is mammal. So examples of
And
mammals
humans
are
are
mammals.
and humans are mammals.
Yes. So examples of mammals are whales. So whales are examples of mammals. Even dolphins are mammals, and even human beings. Yes.
Now, in nowadays, before this, there was a dinosaur was only the biggest animal.
Yes.
Now the biggest animal is blue whale. So
Yeah.
it will be big, very big if it's in real.
Yeah, it will be very big. So yeah, human beings are mammals. Okay, so now let us see about reptiles, the another type of animals known as reptiles. Okay, so reptiles, they breathe with their lungs. The older animals, like when the animals become adult, those animals breathe with their lungs, and those animals will reproduce, I mean give birth to young ones through eggs only. And when the eggs hatch, the babies will look just like the parents. So reptiles breathe with their lungs when they become big. Then they give birth through eggs. And when the eggs hatch, the babies will look just like their parents. Okay, so one common thing about reptiles is all the reptiles will crawl or slither on the ground. They won't walk. Okay, so they'll crawl or slither. So let me give you examples. So examples of reptiles are snake. It will slither. Yes, right? Next is lizard. Even that will crawl. Yes, right? Lizard. It's an example of reptile. and even crocodile. So these all will lay eggs. These all will lay eggs and will crawl on the ground only. So now let us see about a different thing, birds. So have you ever wondered how birds are flying in the sky? So yeah, because they have feathers and wings. So they are flying because they have feathers and wings. Yes?
Akka, I have something to tell you. What is the difference with an alligator and a crocodile?
Both are similar only, but the alligator, the mouth will be a little bit bigger. Okay. So yeah. So a bird is an animal that has feathers and wings. Yes.
Karnyaka, you know one thing?
You say.
The omnivore and omnivore eats both, but omnivore eats only the meat.
No, omnivore
But the
omnivore eat both plants and animals, but carnivore eat only the animals. Okay. So yeah, let me finish and at last you all say. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. So birds can fly and they reproduce by laying eggs only. Okay. Have you ever seen birds reproducing through laying eggs? They give birth to young ones by laying eggs only. And most birds can fly. Not all birds can fly, but most can fly. So kiwi is a bird which cannot fly. And ostrich is the largest bird. Okay. So yeah. Here we have some examples of birds. So you have seen these birds, right? Peacock, parrot, flamingo, and cuckoo, owl, penguin. So these are some main birds which we all know. So some examples of birds. So the next is quiz. So we have a quiz time. Is parrot a bird or an animal? So is parrot a bird or an animal?
Bird.
Yeah, it's a bird. It's a bird. Super. So parrot is a bird, of course. So name this part. I told, right? What is this name of the part? Super. The name of this part is backbone. Super. Awesome. So now let's just
Backbone.
Super.
Backbone.
Yeah. Super. So now let's just revise what we saw. Okay. So I'll just show you. So we saw what is animal. Animal is a living thing. It needs water and food to live. And animals cannot make their own food. And we saw what is backbone. And animals with backbone are known as vertebrates. Animals without backbone are known as invertebrates. So we saw three types of animals: herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. Herbivores are animals which eat only the plant food. Omnivore eat both plants and animals. And carnivore eat only the animals. Okay. So we saw what is mammals. A mammal is an animal that is covered with fur, has a backbone, and it reproduces. So if these lines satisfy with an animal, then that is a mammal. Examples are whales, dolphins, human beings. So we saw what is reptiles. So reptiles, old reptiles breathe with their lungs. They give birth to young ones through eggs. And when the eggs hatch, the baby ones will look just like the parents. So all the reptiles will crawl or slither on the ground. For example, snakes. 1 minute. Snakes, lizards, crocodile. So these all are reptiles. Hi. So yeah. So now let us see about birds. Yes.
They don't have backbone. That's why they will just crawl or slither like this slowly.
Yeah. Some
They
animals
slip very slowly.
Yeah. So animals without backbone won't be standing. They'll be like crawling or slithering. So now let us see about birds. So bird is an animal that has feather and wings. That's why they are flying. And it gives birth to young ones through eggs. Most birds can fly. Not all birds can fly. Most. Kiwi is a bird which cannot fly. Okay. So yeah. Just a minute.
Penguin.
Yeah, penguin also cannot fly.
Penguin fly.
Super. Penguin is also a bird.
Ostrich is because it's very weight.
Yeah,
Cannot
super.
fly.
Super. So we saw quiz. Is parrot a bird or an animal? It is a bird. Name this part. It is backbone. So yeah. So the further sometime will be taken by Samyukta.
Okay, so hi everyone. Okay, so now let's see about sea animals. Okay. So what are sea animals? Can anyone tell? What do you think is sea animal?
They live in the sea.
They are animals
Okay,
that
okay,
live in the
okay.
sea and breathe in the sea.
Jellyfish.
Yeah.
And some animals,
Okay, we'll discuss in the end of the class. So as you guys said, sea animals are nothing but the animals that live only in sea, not in land. Okay. So for example, if you take a fish and leave it in land, will it survive? No, right? So is there any animal that can live in land and water? So is there any animal that can live in land and water?
frog.
Okay, let me tell. Yeah. Okay, so there are animals that can live in land and water. Yeah, crocodile. Okay.
And frog.
Okay, okay. We'll discuss at the end. I want you all to mute your mics. Okay, so the animals that live in land and water. So we'll see a few examples. So turtle. Can you see in the picture turtle living in water and land? So and turtle is an omnivorous. You learned right what is an omnivorous. So turtle is an omnivorous because it eats some insects and it eats leaves, plants also. It is an omnivorous. And next is frog. So when frogs are in land, it breathes through its lungs. So when frogs are in land, it breathes through lungs, and when frogs are in water, it breathes through its skin. Okay. So a frog is adult frogs are carnivorous because it eat only insects, and small frogs are omnivorous because it eats plants and it eats few insects. Okay. So next is polar bear. So polar bear loves to swim and it can live in water also. Okay. Yeah,
But
polar
they
bear
will
loves
be
to.
in Antarctica.
Yeah.
They will be in only cold region.
Yeah, polar bear will only be in cold regions. Okay. So and polar bear is a carnivore because it eats fishes and other animals. Okay. Next is crocodile. So crocodile is an invertebrate. It does not have any does not have backbone. So it is an invertebrate and it is a carnivorous animal because can you see its teeth? Yeah, it is in carnivore and can you see its teeth very sharp, right? So the teeth helps the animals to eat the other animals. Okay. So we saw a few examples now, right? The animals that live both in land and water. So these animals are called as amphibians. Okay, so these animals are called as amphibians. And now we'll see about a few animals that only live in water. So fish, we saw, right? Fish can only survive in water, not in land. And all fish are vertebrate. So all kinds of fish are vertebrate, and which means it has a backbone. And it mostly breathe through gills and have fins and scales. So can you see in the picture a wing-like structure? So that's called its fins, and the fins help the fish to swim in the water. And a line near the eyes, no, that is its gills, and the gills help the fish to breathe inside the water, like how we use our nose to breathe. No, like the fish uses its gills to breathe. And fishes are herbivorous or carnivorous. Some fishes are carnivorous and some fishes are herbivorous. Okay. So the next is shark. So most sharks live for about 25 years. So most of the sharks can live for 25 years, and while very few sharks can live even for 100 years also. Okay, and they can swim 20 to 40 miles per hour. So think how fast they will swim. And shark is a carnivorous. It eats other animals and some fishes also. So a shark is a vertebrate, which means it has a backbone. Okay, so next is jellyfish. So jellyfish is made up of bag-like body cells, and its skin is very smooth. Okay, and it does not have any brain, heart, and bones. Okay, it does not have brain and heart and bones. Okay, so it is an invertebrate because it does not have any bone. And there is a mouth which is found in the center of the body. Okay. So next is dolphins. So dolphins are highly intelligent. So comparing to other animals, dolphins are the most intelligent animals in the sea. Okay. So but they have a blowhole on the top of the head, which helps the dolphins to breathe. Okay. So dolphins are very friendly and playful, and dolphins are carnivores. It eats fishes all. Okay. So dolphins have a backbone, which means they are vertebrate. So next is starfish. So starfish are animals that live in salt water. So mostly they live in salt water, but they can survive anywhere in the world's ocean, like including both cold water and warm water. Okay. So starfish are invertebrates. They don't have backbone. And starfish are omnivores. They eat small creatures in the sea and some leaves, plants, all. Okay. So we saw a few animals now, right? So these animals are called as aquatic animals. So the animals that live only in water are called as aquatic animals. Okay. So now let's have a small quiz. So the animals that can live both in land and water are called dash.
Frog.
No, like we saw, right? The animals that live both in what?
Turtle.
No, I don't know the examples. I want the name of those animals. Okay, let me tell. It is amphibians. We saw, right? Yes, yes.
Amphibians.
Okay, so amphibians are the animals that live in land and water. Okay. So the next is fish is a dash animal. Is it an aquatic animal or an amphibian?
Aquatic.
Yes, super. It is an aquatic animal. Yeah, super, super. So the next is sea animals can only live in land. True or false? Sea animals can only live in land. Yeah, false. Super, super. Next is, yeah, super. Can polar bear live in water? Yes or no? Can polar bears live in water? Yes. Okay, super. Okay, super. Yes, polar bears can live in water and it loves to swim also. Okay. Next is fishes use its fins to swim. Does a fish use its fins to swim? True or false?
True.
Yeah, super, super. Yes, the fish uses its fins to swim. Now let's have a small recap. Okay, so sea animals are the animals that live only in water. Okay, so sea animals are also called as aquatic animals. Okay, both are same. And there are animals that can live both in land and water. So they're called as amphibians, and examples are turtle, frog, polar bear, crocodile. These animals are called as amphibians. And few animals that only live in water are fish. So a fish can breathe in the water. It uses its gills to breathe in the water. And next is sharks. So sharks can swim up to 20 to 40 miles per hour. Okay. Next is jellyfish. So jellyfish don't have any brain hearts, okay? So they are invertebrates. And next is dolphins. So dolphins are the intelligent mammals in the sea, and they're very friendly and playful, okay? So next is the starfish. So starfish can live anywhere in the world's ocean. Like they can live in cold water and warm water, okay? These animals are called as aquatic animals, and we had a quiz. The animals that can live both in land and water are called amphibians. Okay. So the next is fish is a dash animal. It is an aquatic animal. Okay. Yeah. Sea animals can only live in land. No, sea animals can only live in water. False. Yeah. Yeah. Super. Can polar bear live in water?
Yes.
They can
Polar
swim
bears
in
can
it.
live in water. Yeah, and they love to swim also. Super. Next is fishes use its fins to swim. Does a fish use its fins to swim?
True.
Yeah, true. Fishes use its fins to swim.
And
Okay,
they
so
use their
thank you.
gills to breathe.
Yeah, super. They use their gills to breathe. Okay.
So if you want to say anything, you can say.